MP stock analysis and MP stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Look, I'm the only guy in the space who's done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years. So I have seen what's printing me money and what is not. So straight up now with MP, but this is actually just crazy pump. 50% up is not small. So with this in mind, I'm just going to mark out the top here real quick. And the whole thesis here is that I'm looking for more buys. The whole premise. If it does not pull down and shows me any sort of a confirmation, then I'm not gonna act upon that bias. You know what I mean? Like, it's a system, it's a formula, and I'm like a very process-driven person. So if you want my exact formula that I've refined over 5 years, absolutely risk-free, then just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have already gotten enrolled. Plus, you get the Discord and my picks. It's risk-free, and with this thing in particular, my rules must be met in the meantime. Waiting with caps. Goodbye, Niger.